So, I have read the poem before you and hope you have heard or listened carefully. So, let us discuss about that what is the theme of the poem. The theme is that one traveler, he is at present at the crossing of two diverged roads, or he is standing in the center of two diverged roads. Both the roads are going towards the forest, dense autumn forest. And the traveler, he is in a state of dilemma or confusion that which road he should follow or he should choose. He is confused. One road he is noticing that is travel a lot, and other road that is less traveled. That is why he is in a state of dilemma